Okay, so we have this green game object. So last time, what we did was we created a new game object class in our engine with and a new transform struct, which has position, rotation, scale. Our game object has a main, transform, texture, and rect, and that's where it kind of differs. Oops, sorry, that's where it differs from Unity. We're going to make every single game object have a texture and a rect, and that will be used for debugging and prototyping. So we have our constructor where we initialize our transform, and you have to pass a texture now. And so in our game, we are creating a texture on the fly that is 64 pixels by 64 pixels, and we are creating a new game object and we're drawing it. We also added these sprite batch begin and end. Okay, so that was all last time. Now let's see. Well, right when I look, this doesn't look good. We don't want the user doing this. Let's hide this. Let's make something similar to input, which is a static engine class here. And we'll call it graphics. So, you know, MonoGame has both of these static classes too, I think. Static class graphics. And let's say public static texture 2D create a rectangle. Let's pass in color. Gotta add some references here. Color. We'll add a width and a height, right? We do need a reference to our game, but it would be kind of annoying to pass it every time. So let's static. So we could do I like to do this with static classes sometimes. Init. Oh yeah. Public static. Oh no, yeah. This should be void, and that should be there. Init. Let's pass it a game manager. Game manager. Game. Make that underscore. Make that static. And game equals game. Game recognized game. And now we can say you know, texture 2D, texture equals new texture 2D, and we can say game dot graphics device with height, and create our color array. That is our width times height and size. And loop through each one and initialize them to our color we're passing. So calls I equals color. And should have just copied the last one, but whatever. Texture dot set data calls or color calls. And I guess we don't even need to use this. We can just say set data calls and return our texture. Now we can do something like this. We don't even have to pass a texture here. Let's make two different ones. Two different GameObject constructors. You could pass a texture. Or you could just pass it a vector2 size and color. Now we can do something like this. Graphics dot create rectangle color size dot x size dot y. Let's change this to a point. Yeah, I like that. So now we can go to our game, get rid of this. We'd say, what does it want first? Let's say new point 64, colored out red, right? Yeah. Let's run it. Oh, okay. And yeah, sorry, we never initialize our graphics. So we're gonna do that in the game manager. We're gonna say do it right in our initialize function. Graphics dot init. Oops. Init this. Now we should see it. And let's just make it an actual game here. Let's move our game object around. Prove that the transform works. Let's say yes. Input keys dot is key down. Keys dot D. Say go dot transform dot position plus equals vector2 dot new vector2 and we'll move it over 1 pixel. Alright, let's do this. Was released. B. We'll move it over 32 pixels, half the size of it. It's not working. Go transform that position plus equals new vector. Game manager. We call update. Oh, do we not call update on our game object? Right. Well, does that matter? We don't even have an update. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Direct is using our position. Okay. let's check our input. Oh, right. Last keys. Last keys needs to be before keys. Or else it's just gonna be, they're both gonna be the same value every time. Sorry about that. Let's see. We got our red cube, I press D, and it moves. Nice. It's a game.